Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thailand as a possible medical hub for Chinese and ASEAN. Kind of an interesting, I was reading an article that at first glance would not seem to have had anything to do with this. It was from the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. Articles titled, Government Plans AstraZeneca Jab Rollout. But within the article, I found this. Quoting directly, Mr. Anutin, that's the Minister of Public Health here, said that Beijing is considering making Thailand a regional vaccination center for Chinese citizens living in ASEAN. Quoting further, he said the country has asked his ministry to help provide vaccines to 200,000 Chinese citizens living in the kingdom. Beijing will provide the vaccines for free, Mr. Anutin added. A couple interesting things there. One is just sort of the notion of Thailand acting as sort of a hub in ASEAN for expatriate Chinese, but also that there are 200,000 Chinese citizens living in the kingdom. That's a pretty staggering number. If you recall from other videos on this channel when we were discussing the total number of retirees in Thailand or the total number of expats in Thailand, it was somewhere around about 100,000 was kind of our guesstimate based on some of the UN numbers, maybe possibly even 110,000. But, you know, if you sort of look at that, it looks like, you know, Chinese expat numbers have it doubled on the quote-unquote Farang folks. So, again, interesting stuff. I will be curious to see how this progresses. But Thailand definitely has a key and pivotal role to play in ASEAN, always has. And from a geographical standpoint, it does kind of make sense that, you know, Thailand's always kind of been known as a medical tourism hub. And then on top of that, you know, with the vaccines rolling out, it really is not outside the realm of reason, if you will, or realm of possibility that Thailand could act as a medical hub for Chinese expats in Southeast Asia.